This is Maddie eating pizza. Yeah, it's kind of pizza. I don't know what you would call it. And here's Peanut, the kitty. Peanut. Oh, he bit me! I didn't do anything! He just bit me! Stupid cat, I hate you. Hey, make this video funny. Devil cat.
Move back.
What's your screen name?
He calls me this.
Who this?
Bailey. Bailey who?
The freak is Bailey. Ow, Maddie, that hurt. That's where he bit me. And someone talkative and talkative. Wait, let me get this. This is gold. Her bone structure screams, touch her, touch her.
And you've got the curse of curves. And away with words.
Man, that hurt. Your cat's a devil. What'd she put?
Jealousy the god.
Hammy, hello. The drink.
Oh, baby, what's that?
The drink.
Damn.
Hey, Maddie, let's make this one funny.
Her bone structure screams touch.
She thinks she's a star. Drinking juice. Drinking. This is gold. Now fall down.
Yeah, that's where mine goes. What's that?
What is she doing? She's not just a table. Hey, Maddie, what are you doing? You asked why I wasn't filming you, you dork. Hey, Maddie, I'm not filming you.
Okay.
She's gonna flip. Where the frick did she go?
No way. OMG. JD's back. I don't care how.
Who's Ryan?
Connor's
Oh,
friend.
I love his I am thing. It's like Care Bear.
Everyone's all let down. It just depends on how far down they can go. In every circle of friends, there's a
whore. I'm not filming you.
anyway. Put it down your pants!
I am not. I don't like that. I'm not filming you. Oh my god, I'm not filming you. Is she chasing me? Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, that's not fair. That's not
Deserve to have friends. Deserve to have them. Filming upside down. What the freak are you? What? Oh god! Jesus Christ. Wonder who else is hot? Zane Scott is hot. Especially his smile.
My boyfriend's hot.
Who's your boyfriend?
Mom.
My mom is not your boyfriend.
Brandon.
Oh, Brandon Jordan.
Brandon.
Woo!
Hey, Ashley.
Whoa!
I'm just scared for you. Ready? No, look at I'm like Emily Harper.
Emily Harper. I hate her.
I'm gonna be the star of it. What? No.
Oh my god, we're dying. Woo!
hills, from the hills, just like that.